Hey guys, welcome to Chef Grace's Place. This episode of Chef Grace's Place is dedicated to Mary Lestrange. Mary Lestrange is like a grandmother to me. She welcomed me into her family with open arms, and she's really gonna be missed. One of the last things I made for Mary was marmalade and scones. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Mary's marmalade. The parts of the citrus fruit are the zest, the pith, and the fruit. Each part of the fruit has its own role in making marmalade. The zest is full of fragrant oil and adds a lot of flavor to the marmalade. The pith is chock full of a starch called pectin. Pectin is what is responsible for the gelling of your marmalade. The pectin reacts with the acid in the orange juice. I like to add a little squeeze of lemon juice, but that's more for flavor than for gelling. Orange juice will do just fine. And it reacts with the sugar that's in the recipe and the natural sugars in the fruit. Now, you're going to want to cut the peel as thin as possible because you want to make sure that the peel cooks all the way through so we get maximum pectin out of it. And cut the pieces long and short for a variety of texture. Sugar reacts with the pectin to help it gel. It also provides flavor and helps with the viscosity of the jam. Doing a pre-soak overnight will help soften the pith and make it easier to cook tomorrow. You can skip this step, but it makes life a lot easier. Cooking a batch of marmalade this size should only take about 20 to 30 minutes. In a perfect world, you would just cook it until it reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit. However, that's not always the case. One of the ways to check if your marmalade is done is to see how it rolls off the back of a wooden spoon. If it just falls off in thin sheets, we know it's not done. If it beads up and then drips slowly, we know it's done. Once your marmalade is cooled down, don't forget to try it on a scone. If you'd like to try out the marmalade recipe and the scone recipe, the link will be in the description.